Finally this evening, former Netball Jamaica president Marva Bernard has been appointed a World Netball Teamwork Ambassador in the Federation's push to transform the image globally. However, Bernard, who is also the president of America's Netball, is still frustrated with one aspect of the region's development of the sport. Jerome Foster has the story.
Jamaica has found itself with extra presence on the international governing body of netball, with America's president Marva Bernard, along with world-rated defender Shamira Sterling, named as respective ambassadors. Bernard will take on the role of being World Netball's Teamwork Ambassador, while Sterling, who is currently plying her trade in Australia, will be the Athlete Ambassador for the Americas region. Bernard says following the rebranding of the body from IFNA to World Netball, they have eyes on a bigger prize.
I will be asked to have them embrace whatever opportunities are there for them to achieve their full potential. And that for me is what I have been doing on my journey, especially with the netballers in Jamaica during my time. I'm also going to help to expand netball's reach worldwide because we have a mission, right? We intend to be 2032 Olympics and the work begins now.
Despite that promise, the America's Netball president insists the region is behind in one particular aspect which is critical for the growth and development of the sport.
We do not have enough hire this region. I'm old enough to say how I could study medicine and get a degree before I become even an international talent identified umpire. That's arduous in this region.
Bernard hinted that the average age of umpires in the Caribbean is close to 50. And despite her efforts to have new recruits, the regional body is still struggling to attract numbers.
I have been sleepless night trying to see how we can change the thing, get the paradigm into recognizing that when you get your driver's license, unless you've been driving around illegally for years, you cannot go over Mount Diablo by yourself. It's not perfection. You get a license to drive. COVID has come to affect the backing of the craft. But people are not coming forward to be umpires because it is taking too long.
World Netball will shortly reveal a team of ambassadors representing the organization's newly launched values of excellence, teamwork, heart, integrity, courage, athlete, and leadership. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.